You wake up before the sun rises, you grind through the day, you stay up when everyone else is sleeping. You're doing everything they told you to do, and yet nothing. No results, no money, just silence. If that's you right now, don't close this video, because what I'm about to tell you changes everything. Most people think the reason nothing is working is because they're not working hard enough. So they work more, they push harder, they sacrifice more sleep, more time, more energy, and still, nothing moves. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. Hard work alone is not the answer. Direction is. Imagine rowing a boat with everything you have, every muscle burning, every breath exhausted, but the boat has a hole in it. It doesn't matter how hard you row. You're still sinking. That's what's happening to most people right now. They're rowing harder instead of fixing the hole. And here's where it gets interesting, because the hole is never what you think it is. It's not your effort. It's not your talent. It's not even your idea. The hole is your system. Most people hustle without a plan. They work on everything and master nothing. They chase 10 goals and hit 0, because focus divided is focus lost. Stay with me, because what I'm about to tell you took years to understand, and you're getting it in the next 60 seconds. The people who seem to have it all figured out, they're not working harder than you. They're working on the right thing at the right time with the right focus. They pick one thing, they go deep. They ignore everything else until that one thing works. That's the secret that looks like talent from the outside. So here's how you fix it. Stop measuring your effort. Start measuring your direction. Ask yourself one question every single day. Is what I'm doing today actually moving me closer to where I want to be? Not busy work, not looking productive, actually moving. If the answer is no, stop, redirect, refocus. You're not failing because you're weak. You're not failing because you're not enough. You're failing because nobody showed you the map. But now you have it. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? If this hit different, you already know what to do. Subscribe to Rick, because the next video, it's going to change how you think about money forever.